We've come a long way, through silence, through storms, and through seasons of growth. And now something is shifting. We are no longer standing still. We are no longer just dreaming. We are moving, because the engine that will carry this vision forward, the vehicle that gets us there, is about to be revealed. This is not just a company. It's not just a platform. It is a movement fueled by people, powered by passion. Every spark, every setback, every step we've taken has led to this moment. We're not looking back in frustration. We're looking forward with focus. Because the wait is not in vain. The foundation has been laid, and now the wheels are turning. So ask yourself, are you ready to ride? Because this engine is not just metal and code. It's heart, it's unity, it's you. Get ready. The vehicle is real, and it's time to move.
We've stood through storms. Every silent moment made our vision more strong. Not just a company, we're a rising tide, built with heart and purpose, with truth as our guide. Now the road is open, we can feel the shift. A spark igniting is more than a gift. The engine of the train is starting to turn, fueled by the passion, the lessons we've learned. It's not just an idea, it's wheels on the ground. The future we spoke of is making a sound. Hold on, we're almost there, the vehicle's near, it's breathing air. From vision to motion, we now accelerate. The journey is ours, this is our fate. No more waiting shadows, no more looking back. The light is upon us, and we're on track. From the sparks of truth to the fire we feel, the promise we carry is becoming real. So if you believe, now's the time to rise. The engine is moving, it's no surprise. The engine of the train is starting to turn, fueled by the passion, the lessons we've learned. It's not just an idea, it's wheels on the ground. The future we spoke of is making a sound. Hold on, we're almost there, the vehicle's near, it's breathing air. From vision to motion, we now accelerate. The journey is ours, this is our fate. It's not just a moment, it's movement alive. A dream in direction, ready to drive. We are the riders, steady and true. This engine was built with me and you. The engine of the train is ready to roll. Purpose in motion, heart and soul. Buckle up, now we're heading out fast. The future is here, we've made it at last. The vehicle's real, it's clear to see. It carries us forward to destiny. So step inside, let's ride as one. The journey begins, we've just begun. We've got no questions. We've stood through storms. Every silent moment made our vision more strong.